Hi guys, today I'll be introducing you to the fantastic machine which I have been using all these days, my Singer 8280. The first thing to notice is the handle right on top, which makes this machine portable. This is my foot pedal. Plug the main power and then the foot controller plug into the side of the machine. We'll start with the bobbin thread. Then gently step on the foot controller and the machine will wind the thread until the bobbin is full. With our bobbin ready, let's focus on the top thread. Now for the bottom thread, we need to insert the bobbin into the shuttle. Take your full bobbin and place it inside the bobbin case. Ensure that this is in clockwise direction. You need to bring the lower thread up. Hold the top thread lightly, turn the hand wheel towards you slowly. The needle will go down, catch the bobbin thread and bring a loop up to the top. Pull both threads, the top and the bottom. And you're set. Now let's check our settings for the most basic stitch. Ensure that you have selected the symbol for the basic straight stitch. Keep in mind this machine also has options for zigzag, buttonholes and other decorative designs which you'll explore later. Adjust your tension dial, stitch length and stitch width. Once done, place your fabric under the presser foot and lower the foot. And start pressing the pedal. Usually to secure the start of your seam, press and hold the reverse lever for a few stitches. This is your backstitch. Release it and continue sewing forward. And there you have it, a straight stitch on Singer 8280. We covered everything from power on to bobbin filling, threading, shuttle loading, setting your tension, length, width and also using the backstitch. Happy sewing!